Hey guys, this video training is going to make your life so much easier, especially if you're doing faceless marketing, or maybe you don't have time to do a regular video, and you can set up. I'm going to show you how you can set up and bundle multiple faceless marketing videos all at one time using ChatGPT. It's pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead. I'm going to shrink this down. All right. So you're going to go ahead and use this prompt here, and I'm going to put it in the description. If it's not there, you might need to request it from me. I apologize. My nose is getting ready to go crazy on me. You will paste it in. You can see here, if you're, maybe instead of a digital marketer, maybe you're a fitness instructor, whatever the case may be, you can come and switch out this to your heart's desire to meet your criteria. Okay. It's up to you how you choose to use this prompt. I'm so bummed. I copied this prompt from somebody and I can't remember her name on Instagram. And so I apologize to her if she sees the video by chance, showing you how to do this, but really straightforward. So you can copy and paste this prompt in, change out the necessary content. Like I said, if you're a fitness instructor instead of digital marketer, and then, the content that you want it to go over. So these facts should be, instead of social media, you can, change those out to fit your audience. Okay. All right. Obviously, these are all digital marketing. So once you do, you can see here, I just simply I pasted it in here and it spit it out, and you'll see what it looks like. It actually did 10 out of the 100 sets, which is totally fine. All right. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and take these 10 that it created and go up here. We're going to copy this. So we're going to copy the whole table. All right. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account, you'll want to set that up. All right. So I'm going to pause the video here for a second while I go over to Canva. All right. So I'm logged in here to Canva. And what you'll simply want to do is when you're in this page, you should see across the top here, social media. And what you'll do is you'll click on that. And you can do Instagram Reel or TikTok video, whichever one you think you should have. They're both the same. So it's up to you. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and do TikTok. And what you're going to see here is obviously a blank screen. Okay. Now, what you'll want to do is you'll see the templates over here on the left. So let's go ahead and just do video. All right. Now, here's different videos that you can use. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one. All right. And you can see there it is. That's my theme for now. Okay. Now, once we've done this, you'll want to come over here on the left-hand side to apps. All right. As you scroll down, you'll click on apps. All right. Once you've clicked on apps, you'll scroll down right here until you see bulk create. So you'll simply hit bulk create. You'll hit enter data manually. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna come up here to the top square, right click, and we're gonna paste our content in. Okay, so it's all here. Okay, let me make my pretty video here a little bit smaller. We're gonna hit done. Now you can see over here it says that the fields haven't been added yet. Okay. So we're going to create these right now. So we're going to come in here and we're going to make this topic. Okay. And then we're going to pull that up. We're going to duplicate it. So when it's highlighted, you can simply hit the duplicate button. All right. I'm going to pull it there. We're going to say part 1. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this one down here. I'm going to duplicate again. I simply clicked on it. It gave me these prompts here. I'm going to click on duplicate. All right. And we're just going to say part 2. All right. So that way we have our column headers for each of the columns that we created in ChatGPT. Okay. So we have our topic. We have part 1, part 2. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on topic. You just click on it one time, and these 3 dots right here, you're going to click on that, and you're going to hit connect data. So boom. And it's going to give you 3 options. You're going to go ahead and choose topic. All right. So now it's connecting all the topics that we bulk created. Now we're going to do the same thing for part 1 here. Just click on it one time. You'll see the 3 dots, same thing. Scroll down to where it says connect data right here, right in the middle of the drop-down list. We're going to choose part 1. Okay. And then we're going to do it one more time here for part 2. 1 click, choose the 3 dots, scroll down to connect data, and we're going to do part 2. Okay. Now, what you can't see over here because my control bar is there is the continue button, but now you should be able to see it. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And you can see here that it's selecting all of these. Okay. So it's going to import them all. Now I'm going to hit generate 10 designs. Okay. Now it's going to duplicate the same design over and over again. I'm going to show you how you can change that very quickly. So we're going to go ahead and hit generate 10 designs. All right. So here is the first one. Okay. So if you like this the way it is, you can keep it just the way it is. You can drag around and move this around if you'd like. Okay. You can change the font. You can do whatever you want. But what you'll notice down here is you have 10 videos that have been created. Okay. Now, obviously, we don't want probably the same background for each one. So on this one, you simply scroll over. You can see how the purple's around the first one here. Now, when I click on this one, now the purple outline is around this video. That's the second video. So what we want to do is we want to change that, right? So we're going to go back here to design. Okay. And we're just going to choose video again. And let's see. Now, instead of this, instead of the darker, we're going to hover on the next video that we like. And so, for example, on this one, we're going to use this one right here. We're going to click on the 3 dots. When you hover over this, you should see 3 dots in the right-hand corner here. You'll click on that. And then you'll hit apply style to page. Okay. All right. And oops. We'll do apply elements. There we go. So now here is our new one, and you can see it's a much smaller video. It's only 3 seconds long. So that's all right. You can make it longer if you want. Okay. You can make it, you can see here, you can make it 15 seconds long if you want. We'll just make it like that. Okay. And you can see here, didn't change, right? Okay. Now this font's hard to read, so you might want to make it bigger, so you can use the font size. You can increase it up here, or you can, you know, change it. But you can see how it changed the font for you here. So let's see. Obviously, that's not going to work, right? But we like the size, maybe, um, of that. But maybe we'll change the font here to, let's see, handwriting. Let's do that and see if it's a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. And then we can change it. But you can see here, you can play around with it. The cool thing is that you have your your content is all created. Okay. So here's the next one. Same thing. I'm just going to do it one more time so you can see it. Again, you can click on design. Okay. When I click on design, here's all the different videos that you can see. Okay. So maybe remember, you want to use this one possibly. Remember, when you hover on the video, you'll use the three signs here, and you'll simply hit apply elements, and voila, here is our, it's talking about SEO here. Okay. Now, you may want to change around font again. Maybe you don't like this video. Well, you can just come back over here. Maybe you like this one. So we can we can click on the three dots, apply elements, and voila, there we go. All right. So there you go. Maybe you don't like that one. Maybe you want something different. There's oodles upon oodles of videos here. Now, some of these videos are pro, so you might have to go to a pro, or you can upload your own videos as well. Okay. So it's up to you what you want to do. Um, Doing like while you're walking around outside with the sun, all that good stuff, you can upload that kind of video. Different, types, different camera angles. You can do your own video. You don't have to use their videos, right? But this is how you can import. Now there's 10 faceless videos done. Boom. Within seconds, really. The only thing you have to do is change out your background that you have. I recommend it's a video, and then change out, any of your font if you don't like it, and then change the font, change the coloring, that kind of thing. But other than that, pretty straightforward. Hopefully, you get tremendous value out of this, because creating and having a library of faceless marketing videos are great filler videos, because people don't, when you're first building, people don't like long videos if they don't know who you are, right? And so in the beginning, having short videos that they can get value out of right away, um, then that is going to help you out tremendously when you're first building your following on whatever social media platform you decide to post these on, right? We made these for TikTok, but like I said, they're the same for Instagram Reels as well. Just remember, it has to be 3 minutes or less. You can also use them for YouTube Shorts too. So the thing that's cool is we just created 10 of them in a few minutes with customization, a few seconds without customization. So you can see how this really will cut down your production time and still be able to provide value to your following and your followers and your audience. So with that, uh, if you have any questions about this, not quite sure how to um, do this. Maybe there was something in the video that didn't make sense for you. Just let me know. I'll be happy to uh, answer any question you have. With that, guys, enjoy making these faceless videos. Remember, um, when we did them over here, it was for 100. So all you have to do is say, next 10, and then it will create 10 more for you. Look at content marketing, part 1, part 2, launch strategy, niche or niche selection, whichever you can see. These are great, guys. And it all did it in seconds. You saw how easy it was. Now, if I want to bulk edit again, I simply just come down, copy all of them. Okay, copy my table, come over here. Let's go ahead and go back to apps here. And, bulk create. Enter data manually. Paste. Right. Done. Okay. Now I just need to hit continue because there's more information here. Boom. Now it's created another 10 for me. Okay. And you can come in, you can see on this one, it's got, you can come in and change out the font. I don't like these fonts. I would recommend on this type of font, it's got to be really bold and there's got to be contrast in the background. So if you're using a light font, then you have to have a darker background and vice versa. But people, when it's hard to read, you might lose people. So using just a traditional clean font would be recommended. But you can get creative in here with these as well. So with that, guys, I hope this helps you guys, because like I said, I created 20 faceless marketing videos basically in seconds. And then to customize them, it take me another couple minutes, and they're ready to upload, because all I have to do now is say, I want this first video, I'm going to use it. I come here to share. I'll download. It's already got MP4. All right. It's going to say selected pages. You just want the one that you're on currently right now. So current page 100. Okay. Okay. So, and then you just hit done. It will download your video. Okay. So, or you can simply select it from the list here too. Hit done, and it will download for you, save it wherever you want, and then you can go ahead and upload it to your social media profiles on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. You can even use this for LinkedIn as well. All right. With that, again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Until then, guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, and I will look forward to seeing you at the next one. Take care.